Oh, hey, just saw you there. Sorry, I was listening to music and making money. Did you know you can make $15 an hour listening to music? Now, this is a real thing. You can listen to music online and make $15 an hour. I'm actually going to show you how in this video, exactly how you go about this. Make a career out of listening to music. Sorry, let me get back to making some money. So let's get right into this. You can make money listening to music. No, I'm serious. You can make money listening to music, and I'm going to show you how on my computer right here. So let me turn off my, that was the song that I was supposed to listen to make money. It's, let me write this up for you right now just so we take notes, because if you want to actually make money doing this, step one is playlist push, okay? So here we are on playlistpush.com, and right here it says get paid to review songs, okay? Now what you see over here is it says paid per review. Depending on your reputation, you can earn up to $12 per song. And it says weekly payouts, request a payout at any time, every Friday via PayPal. So this money gets sent directly into your PayPal account anywhere you are in the world listening to music. But the way it works is you are considered a music curator, and in order to qualify, look right here, to qualify as a curator, you need a playlist with at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music. See that right there? So step number 2 is 400 followers on your Spotify playlist. Now, if you've been getting massive value from this video already, type in mind blown in the comments if this kind of changed how you thought about making money online. And also, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and punch that notification bell so you can be informed about live streams I do for my most ardent fans that are looking to learn about methods of making money online. Now, in the rest of this video, how would you like it if I went over exactly how you can get 400 follows on Spotify quickly? How would you like that? If you're in for doing this model and making money just listening to music, type in all in the comments, because I'd love to see some people making money with this unique, really out of the box way and just crushing it. So there are a few ways that you can actually get playlist followers on Spotify. And what you can see here is if you Google how to get playlist followers on Spotify, you'll get a pretty generic article from Spotify itself. They'll say be original, have a strong title, update your playlists, promote your playlist. A lot of boring stuff, right? This doesn't sound so straightforward. I'm getting bored just shooting this video right now. Now, a better way to actually do your research I've found is look at the subreddit called reddit.com/Spotify, okay? Or /r/Spotify. You could just search Spotify in Reddit and you will find it. So what you'll see Reddit and Spotify, and you can see this list. Here's the community. There's over 125,000 members, and you can join that subreddit to, get people to follow your playlist or talk about playlist promotion. Now, some other ways you can join that community, but there's also a better article which shows, 10 ways to increase your Spotify followers. And again, you'll find a lot of generic content on, just building a social media audience and all that jazz. Now, don't get me wrong. I've focused a lot of my time on building my social media audience. And I think if you want to make a living as an online marketer or just as an online person, you definitely should be building your social media following on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whatever channel it is. It's going to be a long-term asset and allows you to have leverage when you're dealing with really any company. Now, you could go about it that way and build your audience organically, or you could be a little sneaky. And I found that there are actually sites where you can buy Spotify followers. The site is called SocioBlend, and we see right here, you can buy Spotify plays, likes, and followers. So see right here, you can buy 500 Spotify followers for $17, and you'll get the order complete within 2 days. So the site is socioblend.com, and you can get started for $17. You'll get enough followers to actually be able to start earning money by listening to music. Pretty neat. So really, all you need is to listen to 2 songs, and you've already made back the investment that you made, to get started in this business. Oh, sorry. Now, if that is not awesome, if your mind is blown, type in mind blown in the comments below and give this video a big like if that is freaking rad, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you one more site that you can just take your audience to the moon and help you build your following on Spotify almost instantly with this one site. But this is pretty cool. I am surprised that this works, but it does. Now, here I am on Fiverr, okay? Here I am on Fiverr, and the search term I typed in is Spotify follows, okay? So Fiverr is a website. You see right here, Fiverr is a website where you can pay for different types of marketing, design, or development services for, beginning at $5. So, you can get a lot of stuff. Look, I will build up your Spotify for real followers, right? I will promote your Spotify followers to, hype people. I don't know. But basically, here's another person who will get you 500 followers for $20. So there's a lot of services here. Now, as we see with this package, this person claims that they can actually get you 50,000 total playlist followers within 3 days. So I don't know if that's real or not. There are some people who said canceled order, seller failed to deliver on time, and then this person said super service I would recommend. So I'm not sure about this one, but there are a number of other sellers on Fiverr which you can find that will get you more followers to your Spotify list. So there are options available, and some even claim to give you as much as 50,000 followers. So if you like this video and you got some value from it, please hit the subscribe button. Check me out because I'm doing videos every single day of the week showing you how you can make money online and start your online business and basically just either do a side hustle or work for yourself like I do. So like this video and leave a comment about what you would like to see me shoot a video on next. Peace and have fun listening to music. Baby, put your love to the test. You know you got to.